In this video, you'll learn how to sell a domain on GoDaddy in just a few minutes, so you can turn your unused domains into real cash easily. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign in to your account. Click on My Products in the top right corner where you'll find all your registered domains ready to be managed, listed, or sold on the marketplace. Next, find the domain you want to sell and click Manage. Inside the domain settings, look for the GoDaddy Auctions or List for Sale option. This is where GoDaddy lets you list your domain in the public marketplace. Now, choose your selling method. You can list your domain at a fixed price, set up an auction with a starting bid, or accept offers from interested buyers. Pick the option that gives you the best chance of selling fast. After that, set your asking price. Research similar domains being sold on GoDaddy to make sure your price is competitive. A well-priced domain in a popular niche can sell faster and attract more potential buyers quickly. Once your domain is listed, write a strong description. Highlight its value, the niche it fits, and any potential uses. A clear, compelling listing can significantly increase your chances of selling at a great price. And that's it. Your domain is now listed for sale on GoDaddy, ready to attract buyers and turn into profit.